Hello techies. Alright, today we have a scenario here. On our left pane, you own a computer repair store and you are on a site at the customer's office. They have signed up for DSL internet access. The phone company has turned DSL access on and the office has obtained DSL service from the ISP. All connectors on the wall plate are for WAN connections only. There are no LAN connection inside the office. When you are finished, DSL router should be connected to the internet connection and the phone should be able to make analog phone calls. Alright, so our task here is basically simple. We are just to install a DSL router and then connect computer to the network. Alright, so let's start up. Let's see what we have here. Let's check our routers. We have this DSL router, so let's just fix this DSL router here, and let's go to the back of this. Let's go to the back of this and the back of this also. And so let's start up with the cables. So let's start up with power. Power is coming here, and this is going to the wall outlet, and this is our telephone cable. One is going to come into one is going to come into the telephone port, and the other end RJ11. This is RJ11, by the way. It's going to come here. Notice that the RJ11 port is slightly smaller than the RJ45. Okay, so what else are we doing? We are going to add our CATSIS. Alright, so this CATSIS is going to come in here. The other end is going to go into the computer. And what other cable do we have? We have a filter. So let's plug in the filter. We're going to plug it in here. And then we go over to cables. We need to plug in computer cable to the filter, and then the other end will be connected to the phone. Let's see, is there any other thing that we're missing here? Anything else that we're missing? Alright, so everything appears to be fine here. Everything. So let's turn back to front, and notice that the Ethernet cable is blinking, so this is rightly okay, front, and this is also blinking. So hopefully our answers are correct. So let's just check what we have, and everything is correct. Alright, so if this video was helpful, consider subscribing and sharing the video so that others can benefit. Also like and comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.